Hello architecture enthusiasts, welcome back to An Architect's Tale. Today, I'm taking you on a journey to explore an extraordinary architectural masterpiece from Norway, the Timber Nest Cabin, designed by architect Quentin Desfarges, perched at 937 meters above sea level in the scenic Hallandsfjell mountains. This isn't just an ordinary cabin, it's a harmonious blend of Norwegian traditional wisdom and contemporary design philosophy that truly responds to the fundamental human way of living. The Timber Nest Cabin is meticulously positioned on a birch-forested slope near Rodberg, Norway, with a strong emphasis on preserving the original landscape. Visitors leave their cars at the roadside and walk through the forest to reach the cabin, reinforcing a respectful coexistence with nature. The cabin becomes an extension of the mountain itself, rather than merely occupying the site. Quentin Desfarges presents a fascinating design philosophy for Timber Nest Cabin, returning to the basics of living. He believes that cabin life is fundamentally about connecting with simple yet essential activities: cooking, sleeping, hygiene, and being together. This philosophy is reflected in the house program that emphasizes simplicity and responds to genuine human needs rather than unnecessary complexity. It's a refreshing approach in our often overcomplicated world. The form of Timber Nest Cabin presents powerful simplicity through a traditional gable roof reinterpreted in a contemporary manner. The balanced proportions allow this house to harmoniously blend with the surrounding landscape. A striking feature is the use of porthole-style circular windows on the gable ends, creating a distinctive identity while serving both functional and aesthetic purposes, providing natural light and creating visual interest points. The cabin is built entirely from wood, primarily using cross-laminated timber, CLT, and untreated pine cladding, which will naturally weather to a silver-gray patina, echoing the aging landscape. The polished concrete floor with underfloor heating balances the rawness of the wood with comfort and warmth. Custom cabinetry and built-in furniture are crafted from CLT pine, with select elements stained green, such as the kitchen island and staircase, adding vibrant, sculptural accents to the otherwise serene palette. Timber Nest Cabin exemplifies excellent design that coexists with nature rather than fighting against the environment. Desfarges chose to create a symbiotic relationship with the landscape. The use of local materials, simple forms, and appropriate positioning transforms this house into part of the landscape rather than an intrusion or destruction of nature. For friends who love homes and seek inspiration, Timber Nest Cabin offers several important lessons. First, designing in response to real context and environment, not copying or following trends. Second, emphasizing material quality and natural beauty. Finally, returning to the fundamentals of authentic living. Quentin Desfarges' Timber Nest Cabin serves as a powerful reminder that good architecture doesn't need to be complex or grandiose, but must respond to genuine human needs and create good relationships with the environment. This work demonstrates that simple yet profound design can create magnificent and memorable experiences. It's a home that doesn't just provide shelter but gives meaning to authentic living. Dear friends, if you found inspiration from today's architectural analysis of Timber Nest Cabin, please don't forget to hit the like button to encourage me, and subscribe to follow great architectural works from around the world that I'll share in every episode of An Architect's Tale. I hope today's content helps you see architecture from a new perspective and inspires you to create homes or living spaces with deeper meaning. See you in the next episode.